Barb, and I'm back with another video. As you guys know, I always like giving tips and like the keys to success or whatever if you watch my videos and you subscribe to the channel or whatever. But I'm just gonna help y'all out today and give y'all a little tip on how to edit and how to make a green screen transition. So like, it's a lot of apps you can edit videos on and stuff, but the quality when you download it to your phone, the quality isn't that good. So it's best to stay on the iMovie app if you're editing on your phone. It's best to stay on the iMovie app because the quality on there is amazing, and when you upload it, it will be just as amazing as it is on iMovie. So like, it's not really good to like keep moving your videos, you know, to different apps and stuff like that, trying to, you know, edit little pieces here and there. It's best to just keep it all on iMovie, honestly. But before we get into this video, make sure y'all go down there, hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure y'all give me a thumbs up and hit the post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a video. Like, y'all don't want to miss these tips. Y'all don't want to miss this. Like, go do that right now. So a while ago, one of these girls that I used to be cool with, she had showed me how to put like green screen transitions on a YouTube video. So I already knew how to do that and stuff. But I just found out how to add like letters and stuff on a transition, like on a green screen transition. So I have to show y'all. I edit my videos on iMovie, and like, you know, on iMovie when you want to put letters and stuff and type just like, you know, little captions and stuff like that, it only lets you do a certain amount of stuff. Like the things that it lets you do is so whack and basic. Like, I hate it so much. But I just found out how to learn how to do these kind of things. Like, I'm gonna put it right here so you guys can see. I found out how to do this, so I'm gonna show you guys, so keep staying tuned. Okay, so for the rest of this video, how I'm gonna show you guys is I'm gonna just screen record it, and I'm gonna do a whole edit thing so you guys can see exactly how to do it. So I'm gonna show y'all step by step, and I'm gonna be talking y'all out throughout the way. So you're gonna go into the Phonto app. You're gonna load. What you're gonna do is go get a green screen. It has to have a green screen on it. Then you're gonna change the size. Change the size to 1280 to 720 because that's the size of a YouTube video. Then you're going to add an image. You go on Google and type in Instagram logo transparent, and it will come out already transparent for you. You place it on there, whatever size you want on there. Then you're just going to go in and type whatever you want on the screen. Change the font to however you want, the size, the color, the shadowing, all that. You guys can just play around with this a little bit just to get like used to it and stuff like that, because it's kind of hard at first. But I'm going to try to get as much into detail as I can for you guys. This is just adding a little shadow in the background. Add a little emojis on there just for a little cute text, you know, or whatever. Again, you guys can add whatever you want on here. If you want pictures or anything like that, you can do that. Then you're just going to save it to your phone. Then you're going to upload it to your video wherever you want it to. Click on the video. Sorry, here. Go to the three dots, and you have to choose the green screen. It says green screen. Choose that, and it's on there. That's it, you guys. This is the most easiest thing to do. I'm glad I could help. You guys, so hopefully that taught y'all something. And if you have any questions or anything on anything, like if y'all have ideas y'all want me to do, just drop in the comments and let me know. Ask me questions, hit me up in my DMs, whatever y'all choose to do. But YouTube is like a non-stop learning process. Like, you're gonna learn new things all the time with YouTube, bro. So everything I learned, I'm gonna try to help y'all, because I wish somebody helps me like that. But no, had to figure it out on my own. I did have a old friend that showed me a few things, but like I said, y'all, it's a non-stop learning thing. Like, so I'm here for you guys. So go down there, hit that subscribe button, and join me, guys, because I'm dropping bangers every time. But go give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'm out. Peace.